Jason, did you see the email from the conference organizers? They're asking us to download the Whova event app.
Yep. Actually, I used the app in my last conference.
Really? What can the app provide that a paper event brochure and website can't?
For starters, you can set up your personal schedule and set up reminders. You won't need Wi-Fi or data service to check the schedule. You can see who else is attending the event, send messages, and set up meetings.
Planning fun things to do together, sharing a ride, exploring job opportunities, asking for help, all is easy with the community board.
Wow. Please, show me how to use it.
Sure. To sign in, enter the email address you used for event registration or your social media account. That'll take you to a profile page. Other attendees will see your profile and network with you, so make it look good.
All right. Done.
That's it. As you are an attendee, now it will show the event page automatically.
Oh, but I registered late. See, it doesn't show the event.
No worries. You can search for the event here by typing the name. Click the Join button and enter the event invitation code the organizer sent us, or request a new one and wait a bit.
I remember the code.
Perfect.
Now we see the basic event information. And on the bottom of the screen, here is the Agenda tab.
Whova lists all the sessions on each event day, and we can search an individual session by keyword. The session includes all the details like overview and handouts. You can add this session into your own personal agenda and set a reminder. All the sessions you saved are in My Agenda.
Now that is handy.
During the session, you can click like, ask questions, or leave comments, and rate the session. Here you can take down your personal notes too.
Cool. Look at that. Speaker profile.
Not only for speakers, you can see all the attendees' information. Here's the attendee list. With a little planning, you can make many valuable connections. Here, we can search by keywords including company name or title. See? Here's me.
There's you.
You can see my professional background information and say hi with a click or even start chatting through private in-app messages. And here, you can invite more people to join the conversation. Just convert it to a private group chat.
Okay. Here, what's this?
Ah, that's the meeting schedule.
You can use it to suggest a time and a place to meet someone. If your request is accepted, you'll see a notification, and it'll also show up in your agenda.
Good thing.
Now here's the community board. I love this for posting things like, hey, let's have a dinner together. Any good places to hang out? Or, I lost my wallet. Has anybody seen it? And post a job too. Here, create any topics that you'd like to talk about with other attendees. It's a good place for networking, even before an event.
Wow, that'll be useful.
Of course, there are other cool features. Things like exhibitors showing coupons and giveaways, live polling, photo sharing, tweets, indoor maps, and surveys.
Looks like I'm all set.
Great, now enjoy the app. If you have any questions, here, contact Whova right through the app.